Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how to get Robux with Sweatcoin. So when you open your Sweatcoin app, as you can see, and go to the shop, here where you find some vouchers and discounts. So you just need to check it regularly so you can find if there's a Robux voucher or Robux discount. So at the moment, we don't have that voucher here. But if you go on that bid, so if we go on top and tap on that bid, and here, as you can see, there's an auction here where if you are the highest bid, you will get this $100 gift card, as you can see. Then if you get this voucher card here or gift card from Amazon, you can use that Amazon gift card to buy some Robux to use on your Roblox game. So it doesn't mean that it will guarantee you to get this highest bid, but you can try to bid here and get this $100 gift card of your choice. So you have to make sure that you have a bunch of sweat coins that you can use that to get the highest bid and get this $100 gift card from Amazon, and that you can use to buy a Robux. And if you look at the past auctions here, and some are a gift card, so as you can see, a $50 gift cards or a $300 gift card here. So you can try to make a bid and get this $100 gift cards to convert it to your Robux. Or you can always check this shop and you can find some discounts or vouchers that you can use also to buy Robux. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.